Sunday morning, it looked like rain. Around the curve came a passenger train. Under the bottom was a hobo John. He's a good old hobo, but he's dead and gone, dead and gone. He's a good old hobo, but he's dead and gone. There was a woman named Miss Alice Fry, said, I'm gonna ride with Mr. Casey or die. Ain't good looking, but I take my time. A rambling woman got a rambling mind. I got a rambling mind. I'm a rambling woman, got a rambling mind. Now Mr. Casey said, just before he died, one more road he would like to ride. Fireman asked Casey what road is he? Said Southern Pacific and the Santa Fe. That's the Santa Fe, boy. That's the Southern Pacific and the Santa Fe. When I leave Memphis, gonna spread the news. Memphis women don't wear no shoes. I got it written in the back of my shirt. I'm a natural born lover. I don't have to work. I don't have to work. I'm a natural born lover, I don't have to work. When I sold my gin, I sold it straight. Police run me to my woman's gate. She come to the door, she nodded her head. She said, you're welcome, baby, to my folding bed, to the folding bed. You're welcome, baby, to my folding bed. Mr. Casey said, hey, right. I'm coming. Mr. Casey said, I'm coming. Mr. Casey ran his engine in a mighty fine place. Number 4 stabbed him in the face. Dick told Casey, boy, you must leave town. Believe to my soul he's Alabama bound, Alabama bound. Believe to my soul he's Alabama bound. Now if you wanna go to heaven when you're D.I.E., put on your collar and your T.I.E. If you wanna scare a rabbit out of L.O.G., make a little stump like a D.O.G. I'm on the road again.